This is probably the most significant ransomware attack on one of our critical infrastructures ever.
Tonight, we're also learning about a new cybersecurity and ransomware threat.
What is up, guys? And they have finally added in cyber attack into Modern Warfare 2.
This is an emergency alert. John, the
JTPRC, DDWDC's very own Cyber Defense and Cyber Protection Department, or JTPRC, DDWDC, CDCCD, announced that JTPRCDDWDC.com experienced an unprecedented cyber attack.
Let's take a moment to briefly reflect and appreciate these comments that we all know and love, and we hope to see again very soon.
While JTPRCDDWDC is investigating this great tragedy, please utilize the forums section on the website to post relevant comments. This area has not been infected by what many are dubbing as the virus of the decade. Support JTPRC-DDWDC in these trying times by trying Florida Governor Ron DeSantis's patented super potent solution for de-aging. See the incredible results above. Pick up your RDSPPSD from the JTPRC DDWDC store today, or from rondesantis.com. Make sure to tell them JTPRC DDWDC sent you over.